Mr. McCain. How you doing? I'm doing well.
Don't mind me, Mr. Quinn. I'm just a curious little rhino.
I appreciate your agreeing to undertake this.
Meeting secretly with sinister types? Much? Not too much. Much too much.
The sum we've agreed upon.
Kinda hot in these rhinos. Warm! I had a dog, and his name was Bingo! Time to get some oxygen. No. Come on! Mayday! Must have air. Come on, girls. Quiet. Take a look.
Oh, look! The mother rhino is giving birth. Mommy! Cool! No, we have to get out of here!
Get the jeep!